6.1 Roots and Radical Expressions. Yay!
First of all, what is a radical expression? A radical expression has a radicand and an index. For instance, the answer to this problem, since you are cube rooting it, is 2. The answer is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Here we have an example with a variable. 2 square roots of x squared. This is very simple because all you have to do is square root x squared. And the answer to this would be 2x. Now we're on to more complicated problems. But don't worry, because we're here to help you. The problem here is 4 cube roots of 5 plus 7 cube roots of 5. You can only add these together when you have the same base. So it would be 11 cube roots of 5. Here Harrison's going to take over because I can't read his handwriting.
Okay, for the next problem, we have 2 cube root 8x to the 8th power. And what we're going to do is, because since this is a really big problem, we're going to break it up into 2 cube root 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x to the 3rd power times x to the 3rd power times x squared. And I'm sorry for the really long arrow and the stuff I put my crew through. So then what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the 2 and multiply it with the other 2 on the outside of the radical. Now we do this because it's kind of like distributing almost. So now that's how we got the 4. So now what we're going to do, we're going to pull out the x, and since there's 2 x's and it's kind of like an x times x, it's going to be x squared. And I apologize for the x over the 4, because that was originally a 3 that I messed up on. And so I crossed it out, and I realized that a variable can be an exponent. So I just scribbled it. And then we're going to have a, what's left is a radical of x squared. And then we're all done. Yay.